This is Eternal Blade, and welcome to part 9 of the Ork Gunwagon tutorial. So let's finish putting these greebles on, or rivets, whatever you want to call them. Alright. Actually, select this piece, hit Alt X just so you can see through it a bit. Okay, continue placing them. Okay. Unclick place. You can close that for now. Hit Alt X to bring that back to normal. And let's see what it has on the other side. Alright, so there's nothing on the other side. Let's start working on the top section of this. So what we're going to need first is to make an inset here. So give it a small inset. Alright, bevel it 0.1, negative 0.41, extrude it by about 1. Okay, give it the same bevel as before. And create a cylinder here, radius of about 0.17, height of about 10. Make sure you have angle snap on, rotate 90 degrees, and set it up here like a hinge. Okay, go into, actually, give it more sides, give it 18 sides. Okay, convert to an editable poly, go to the polygon mode, and select the edges, and using the bevel tool, make a hinge shape. So bring that out, okay, extrude it by 1, and bevel it in. Okay, lastly inset. Okay, and extrude a bit, select the edges, chamfer, and chamfer them. Okay, zoom out, just copy it over to there. Alright, then copy both of those over to the other side. Copy. Alright. Next we need to place some handle things. So make a alright, make a torus. Radius 1 about 8.7, radius 2 about 2.12, and do slice to a 180 degrees. Then using the rotate tool, rotate it 90 degrees so it's standing straight up there. Using the scale tool, scale it a bit, and also alright, bring it up, or left and up. Just kind of get it centered between those two things. Alright, next create a cylinder using AutoGrid. Alright. height of about, or radius of about 3.1, height of about 0.3. Bring it so this is centered on it, about centered at least. Alright, convert to an editable poly, polygon, select the edges, press chamfer. Okay, chamfer that, and then polygon, use an inset of about 0.35, extrude it up a bit, okay, and then chamfer that, using the same chamfer. Alright, copy it over to this side. Okay, now select all three of those pieces, and in the top viewport, align them so that the arrow points directly at this. Alright, points directly right up there. And let's add some hinge things here. So go into box mode, or create a box. Just make it about that much. So it's like the hinge is actually connecting there. Polygon, select that. Select the edges, chamfer. Alright. Okay, go into the top mode, or top view, and copy them over. Okay, then copy them to the other side. About the same. Alright, next let's use the placement tool to create some more greeble things. Actually, we're going to create a new one, because these ones are a bit smaller. So get one, scale it down a bit, and make sure you go to reset X form, reset selected, then make it an editable poly. Alright, and if it's black like this, go to the polygon mode, select all polygons, and hit flip. Alright, and then using, select that, this thing, use the placement tool, set selected as source, pick distribution 1, we want that, right place. Let's see, we have rivet there, there, let's create one there, there, there's 4 of them on this side, so 1, 4, then 3 again. Alright, and 4. Right, and that's about good enough. Okay, close that out. Let's make a go to the top view. Make a box about that big. Go back into perspective. Make sure that it doesn't cover up that last thing right there. What we're trying to go for is just like a little bit of a raised platform here. So bevel. Bring the height to about 0.08, and then the outline amount to -0.07. Okay, select that, use max script, run script, placement tool, set select as source, pick distribution 1 as the rivet we made. And then in top view, I guess, hit place, this one there, 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 and there. Alright, close that up. Now press Control A and make everything black or gray, and then change its color to black. Alright, and it's actually starting to look like something now. Alright, I'll see you in part 10.